I'm checking there. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, Mr. Senator.
Good afternoon. Tell me your name and where you're from.
Alpha Taylor, and I'm a resident of Richmond.
Yes, sir.
Earlier yesterday morning, with the help of the Chesapeake Climate Action Network and the Sierra Club, we delivered over 19,000 petitions to your office in Richmond concerning the construction of the Keystone XL pipeline. I just want to know your stance on that issue and what you're going to do about it.
Great question. And Keystone is I'm getting a lot of feedback there. Okay, I got the question. I just didn't want to have to hear myself and the echo back. I'm not taking a full position on Keystone yet for two reasons. One is I want to see if there are ways to get around some of the environmentally sensitive area in Nebraska that is the particular concern of most of the environmental community about the building of the Keystone pipeline, number one. Number two, one of the concerns I have as well is that, the biggest environmental concern, my understanding about Keystone is the tar sands exploration that is being done in Canada. Well, if Canada's going to go ahead and exploit this natural resource, and the question then is simply whether we ship it through a pipeline to the west that would then sell this oil to China, or whether we ship it down to the United States where it might be used in America, then this is a much harder issue for me. Because that would presuppose that the Canadians are going to go ahead and develop the oil, and then it's just a question of where it ends up being used, and the more we can decrease our dependence on foreign oil, particularly Middle Eastern oil, I think that all makes a lot of sense. I do find that some of the challenges that have been raised that says Keystone is going to create these tens and tens of thousands of jobs, I think they're overstated, because a lot of the jobs around Keystone will come in the construction of the pipeline, but they're not permanent jobs. So what I'm reserving judgment on, and for a little bit longer, although I think I don't want you to take me and do not take me as a no on Keystone at this point, because I believe we've got to have all of the above energy policy: renewables, additional domestic oil production, nuclear, energy conservation. Matter of fact, I'm chairman of the National Coalition on Energy Conservation. But I've got to answer the question about the environmentally sensitive area in western Nebraska, I believe it is, and then I've got to find out exactly whether the Canadians have made a final decision to go ahead and develop this oil in the first place. But thank you for your question. If you want to also, let me give you warner.senate.gov. And if you can send me some of those petitions as well, I'd like to.
Yeah, we deliver it to your Richmond office, so I don't know if they can.
Okay, I'll get them. Then I'll get them.